So this was a 2015 15-inch MacBook Pro. I say was because in a little bit I'll talk about what's on the inside. So this used to be my dad's old MacBook Pro before he upgraded to the M1 Pro MacBook Pro. And he was actually considering putting this in e-waste because I guess he couldn't figure out how to take out the SSD in this MacBook, so he decided to take out the entire motherboard along with most of the battery. And let me just show you the damage that has been done to this poor thing. You can see there's not even any bottom screws, so you can see the screen is in really good condition. Like, it's still a perfect machine that you could still work with today. Yes, there's tape holding the bottom on because there are no case screws. You guys ready for the reveal? Oh my gosh, okay, well, where do I even begin? For starters, there's still 2 battery cells inside this laptop. And secondly, you see these? You see these right here? Yeah, these connectors were snapped. These were supposed to connect to the motherboard. These were the antenna cables, and I think this is the display cable. So even if I were to get another logic board and another battery for this machine, there's no point because the connectors for the antennas are broken. It's pretty much just a lost cause of a MacBook right here. So even though the screen appears to be in pristine condition, you can't actually use it because the connectors are snapped. I don't think he realized how easily you can remove the SSD on one of these MacBooks. It's funny because he's actually the one that bought the iFixit toolkit and I just kind of took it. And yeah, this MacBook is violated. It's too far gone. Even if you were to get a new motherboard for it, there's no point because you can't even do anything on it. This poor MacBook is just a shell now. Not only was he thinking of taking this laptop to e-waste, but also this one right here, the one that I installed Mountain Lion on. And yeah, that's it for this video. If you have enjoyed, make sure you give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.